all-new MU-X will be available in 3 model variants: the entry-level LSM, then you step up into the LSU, and the top of the range, LST.
Let's take a closer look at the top of the range, LST. Isuzu has a legendary reputation for reliability, and crucial to that reputation is the engine. Like the all-new D-Max before it, Isuzu is thrilled to confirm that the latest generation of MU-X is powered by Isuzu's 3-litre 4JJ3 TCX turbo diesel engine, featuring 140 kilowatts of power and 450 newton meters of torque at just 1600 RPM. Every MU-X sees it paired with a refined 6-speed Revtronic automatic transmission with sequential sports mode.
The all-new Isuzu MU-X is as willing as it is able. Engine power is now transferred to the road through a more efficient and faster shifting gearbox. When you're on the move, for example, you can now switch between 2-wheel drive high and 4-wheel drive high modes at speeds of up to 100 kilometres an hour in less than a second.
And for even greater performance off-road, there's an electromagnetic rear diff lock. Seriously uneven surfaces, loose or fragmented terrain, slippery and unpredictable traction, the MU-X is ready, willing and able. Oh, and on the topic of going your own way, the MU-X's wading depth has also increased, now providing total confidence in water crossings up to 800 millimetres. It's your invitation to adventure.
The all-new Isuzu MU-X catches the eye with a broad yet defined grille that flows effortlessly into the decisively sculptured silhouette. Bolder, muscular and more modern, it makes a grand statement wherever you go. Striking ultra-bright bi-LED headlights with LED daytime running lights enhances visibility and the front facade, which draws attention to the side of the vehicle that is adorned with practical and sleek side steps, standard on every MU-X. Completing the commanding side profile are the largest wheels available from Isuzu, a set of dynamically sculptured 20-inch alloys paired with highway terrain tyres.
It's just as striking from behind and even more helpful. The new powered tailgate function, making loading and unloading a breeze.
And that's just the outside. Up front in the LST, both seats feature electric adjustment and they're heated too. But it's not just those up front who win. The MU-X is filled with thoughtful touches, no matter where you sit. For example, all 3 rows have their own air conditioning vents, while innovative touches such as reclining 2nd and 3rd row seats means everybody wins.
In the MU-X, all important information is available to the driver intuitively and without fuss. The LST and LSU models feature a large 9-inch customisable central infotainment touchscreen with Android Auto and wireless Apple CarPlay as standard across the range, while the entry-level LSM model sports a crisp 7-inch display. While behind the wheel, you're kept up to date with vehicle systems via a new 4.2-inch multi-function information display, and you can customise the layout to your liking.
29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. start.